My name's Joey Saavedra and I've lost over 110 pounds in 1 year, and I'm giving back to you by showing exactly how I went about losing weight, so smash the like button and subscribe to follow along. First up, let's start with water. Water is one of the most important things in your life. There are very few things that us simple life forms need to survive, and one of those things is water. Our bodies are made up of 70% water, and if you're not drinking at least a gallon of water per day, you're not taking care of your body properly. Now, the more water you drink, the less water your body's going to have to retain, which means you're not going to be bloated, like, ever. Water also helps digest the foods that you eat so you can absorb the nutrients more efficiently. Now, that diet plan that you're on is completely useless unless you're actually benefiting from it. Water is also going to help flush the toxins and all that bad shit that's lingering in and around your organs. You will feel a lot more energized and optimistic when you fuel your body with the right amount of water. Go buy a gallon of water at the store and just keep it on you all day, and by the end of the day, just make sure that the gallon is completely empty, and that's how you know you're successful at drinking enough water. Number 2, get your diet plan in check. A diet does not mean that you're stuck with a meal plan and foods that you don't like. Diet is defined as the kinds of foods that a person, an animal, or a community habitually eats. This means that whatever you're eating on a daily basis is your diet. All you need to do is compartmentalize your diet into a strategic meal plan that will effectively lose weight without having to become a vegan or eat disgusting diet foods. Now, check out my free weight loss course down in the description, which is going to walk you step by step on creating that perfect meal plan for you. Number 3, let's talk about cardio. If you can increase your cardio by as little as 20 minutes per day, you will start to see that fat melt right off your body. I want to make sure that you're doing cardio correctly, so let's make a checklist of what you have to do while you're doing it. Number 1, make sure that you're sweating and that you're not sitting on your phone or reading a book. You are only doing cardio for a short period of your day, so when you're doing it, make sure you give it 100% of your attention. Number 2, make sure that your heart rate is increasing. Remember, cardio is short for cardiovascular, and cardiovascular is your heart, which means that we're working out our heart. And if you're not working out your heart and getting your heart rate elevated, then you're not doing cardio correctly. Number 3, and definitely most importantly, you are checking your sanity, because you're voluntarily doing cardio, and if you can check all 3 of these, then you know you're doing cardio correctly. Intermittent fasting is easily going to shed fat off your body when paired with a good diet plan and workout/cardio plan. Intermittent fasting means that you're putting your body in a state of starvation mode, which means that when you're performing tasks, your body needs energy, and the fuel that's going to give you that energy is going to be coming from your fat stores rather than from the food that's in your stomach. An example of intermittent fasting is only allowing yourself to eat within an 8-hour window of time in a 24-hour day. You can start and stop your fast whenever you want, so long as it fits within that allotted time and you're not consuming even 1 calorie outside of that allotted time. If you wake up and do cardio and then break your fast at 10 a.m., by 6 p.m., so long as you've eaten your daily amount of calories in that 8-hour window of period, you're gonna stop eating until the next day when you're gonna break your fast again at 10 a.m. Intermittent fasting is a surefire way of burning fat so long as you have it paired with a great diet plan and a great workout routine. Now, number 5, and lastly, you're gonna need an accountability partner. The most important aspect of your weight loss journey over cardio, diet, weightlifting is gonna be consistency. I'm gonna tell you straight up, if you're not consistent, you're not going to see results at all. If you can find someone to keep you accountable for your daily and weekly goals, then you will have the motivation to keep going. I offer free mentoring and coaching in the course down in the description, and I built this course so that you can go from knowing absolutely nothing about weight loss to becoming an absolute weight loss expert and losing up to 100 pounds in a year or faster. Alright guys, I hope you loved this video. If you did, smash that like button and leave a comment about what you are struggling with in your weight loss journey. I'm going to be uploading videos on the reg during the week, so make sure that you're staying tuned by smashing that subscribe button. I'll see you guys next video.